Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login issues within the Citrix Workspace application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to log into your account on the Citrix Workspace application, but you experience various different errors that doesn't allow you to log in properly, then there are a few ways to go around this issue. The first thing to check is to see whether you are using the correct email address and password that logs into your account. Now, if you are still using the correct email address and password, but you are still not able to log in, then in order to fix this issue, you will need to contact the customer support for Workspace. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Citrix Workspace and start your search. Once you find the Citrix application, you can tap on it and scroll down and you will find the app support option. Go ahead and tap on the drop-down menu and you can tap on the email address to directly send a support email to the Citrix team. Just select your email application and now within the subject section, just type in login issues. Then within the main body, just type in that you are not able to log into your account even though you are using the correct credentials. Then make sure to only mention your username and not your password within the email and then tap on the send button. Once you send the email, the Citrix support team will review it and they will give you a prompt response in related to what steps you can follow. Now, once you receive the email, you can simply follow the steps and you will be able to log back into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how you can solve the login issues within the Citrix Workspace application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.